Check this out.
Man, that's big. Is it new?
Just got it. 7 inches longer. Handles great.
I love the way it looks.
And power. I take this bad boy out. I get respect.
You'll get some respect with that.
My girlfriend loves it.
Introducing the all-new Dodge Durango. Big size, smooth ride, heavy power. And now 7 inches longer.
You should come by tomorrow. I'll be waxing it.
The Mazda 3.
Here we are.
I still can't believe my dad let us even touch his new car.
Oh, yeah?
I think it came with the car. Hey. Wait!
The Trunk Monkey Chaperone version. An innovative idea you'll only find at Suburban Auto Group.
Oh, hey!
Oh, yeah. You little...
The Trunk Monkey. The revolutionary idea you'll only find one place. Suburban Auto Group.
Your hat is fabulous. How about if we don't give us a ticket today and just a warning?
License and registration.
Okay.
This your monkey?
The Trunk Monkey. A revolutionary idea you'll only find at Suburban Auto Group. The Trunk Monkey Theft Retrieval System. Because sometimes getting your car back is simply not enough. Another revolutionary idea you'll only find at Suburban Auto Group, pending approval by Department of Agriculture.
Don't worry, okay? We'll make it.
I think it's happening.
Now?
Yes, right now. What are we doing?
Everything's gonna be okay, all right? Breathe with a monkey.
The Trunk Monkey Pediatric Edition. An innovative idea you'll only find at Suburban Auto Group.